It starts as agriculture, fiber, not paper. Field-learn banknotes begin in fields, not factories. Density makes fiber shippable and controllable. Field-learn logistics shape manufacturing. Currency paper can't start dirty. Every impurity becomes a weak spot. Cleanliness is structural integrity. Fiber becomes pulp, still physical, now programmable. Field-learn material transformation begins before printing ever starts. If you want precision printing, you need precision paper. Field-learn quality is engineered upstream. Some components arrive already guarded because the thread is a cornerstone. Field-learn security materials have their own chain of custody. Invisible markers, quiet until a UV lamp demands the truth. Field-learn chemistry becomes authentication. From farms and chemical plants to a single destination, secure paper. This supply chain behaves like a controlled mission. After this point, the story turns inward, into the money factory. Field-learn, you're entering controlled manufacturing. Strength is tuned. How fibers lock together decides the note's lifespan. Field-learn durability is engineered at the fiber level. This is where paper is born, still wet, already precise. The base substrate is manufactured, not bought. A watermark isn't printed, it's thickness shaped into the paper. Field-learn security starts inside the sheet. The thread isn't attached later, it's locked in while the paper is still forming. Field-learn counterfeit resistance is structural. Markers are seeded, so the paper itself can testify. Field-learn authentication can be embedded randomness.
Coatings control how ink bites and how sweat and water fail to. Field-learn chemistry controls print performance and wear.
Drying is not just heat, it's shape control. Field-learn stability prevents later printing errors.
Matte finish is engineered, so every later layer lands exactly. Field-learn texture is controlled for security printing. Even cutting is precision, because registration starts here. Field-learn manufacturing tolerances begin before printing. Paper is alive. Humidity changes everything. Field-learn, climate control is part of quality. Counterfeiters can imitate an image. Microgeometry is another fight. Field-learn security is also microscopic engineering. This magenta isn't a shade, it's a controlled formula. Color consistency is security and identity. Optical pigments, meant to behave differently at every angle. Field-learn specialty inks are engineered materials.
Offset lays the foundation. Fine lines, clean gradients, perfect alignment. Field-learn, the first print layer sets the stage. A fraction off here becomes a visible lie later. Field-learn precision is cumulative. Two sides, one identity. Both must agree perfectly. Field-learn double-sided alignment is a key integrity check. Between stages, the ink must settle without losing geometry. Field-learn weighting is part of manufacturing. Intaglio is touch. You can feel authenticity. Field-learn raised printing creates tactile verification.
If the ink sits on top, it should still hold on. Field-learn adhesion and relief are checked physically.
The smallest details punish low-resolution fakes. Field-learn micro-detail is a security barrier. Some inks only work when laid down at the right thickness. Field-learn optical effects require strict process control, designed to appear and vanish. Field-learn angle-dependent security is quick for humans, hard for scanners.
Every note becomes individually accountable. Field-learn identity is assigned, not implied.
Security exists purely for machines and UV lamps. Field-learn, not all features are meant to be seen. Drying isn't a pause, it's a controlled chemical finish. Field-learn final ink properties are created during curing. Inspection is automated, because humans can't see this fast. Quality control is industrial scale. A single missing element turns money into waste. Field-learn standards are absolute. Humans confirm what machines flag, especially continuity and feel. Field-learn final authority still includes human judgment. Because it's inside the paper,
The watermark behaves differently than ink. FeelLearn structural features have distinct optical behavior. Before cutting into notes, everything must be perfectly square. FeelLearn misalignment here creates unusable currency later. One sheet becomes many, precision multiplied. The note's final shape is a high-stakes cut. Even dust is a problem. It interferes with counting and packing. FeelLearn finishing includes cleanliness for machine handling. Failed notes don't leak. They're destroyed under control. FeelLearn security includes waste management. At this point, currency becomes inventory, counted, sealed, tracked. FeelLearn notes transition from product to controlled asset. Packaging prevents tampering and protects the paper from the world. FeelLearn distribution needs physical security. Now it moves like a guarded commodity. FeelLearn finished currency is handled like high-value cargo. Between printing and the public, there's a final layer, secure custody. FeelLearn trust is protected after manufacturing too. When money moves, it moves like a shipment, because it is. FeelLearn distribution is an extension of security. At the bank, machines verify at a pace humans can't. FeelLearn currency is built for automated systems. A note can be perfectly made and still awkward in daily life. FeelLearn manufacturing excellence doesn't guarantee usability everywhere.
Every note is a tool made to age, circulate, and be judged. FeelLearn, the product is designed for a long, rough journey.
In the end, it's not paper you're holding, it's manufactured credibility. The note is a precision-built object whose purpose is trust.
This video is created through a human-AI collaboration. The concept, storyboard, and final visuals are developed using original ideas, with high-quality scenes generated using Veo 3 and refined through professional editing. All content is created from scratch as digital artwork and follows YouTube's 2026 monetization policies. We do not use reused or inauthentic content.